I did not hook up my electric guitar, so we could not hear the chords properly. So I'm going to play them on the acoustic so you can learn the sound. We can refer to the chart again, like I explained earlier. Now, referring to the neck of the guitar right here, I'm going to just play the major chords. I want you to play the minor chords and the seventh chords yourself, and listen and see if you can hear what it's supposed to sound like. It will say minor, and it will say seventh, and it will say major, A major, major, hear that? Major. So, if you have trouble, let me know. And your placement of your fingers need to be pretty much straight up and down, and your thumb on the back of the neck like this. So here we go. A major, hear it? B, C, D, E major, F, G, major, here, major. Okay? Thank you very much.